Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how I made this flower nail art. Let's start the tutorial. Like always, I start off with applying a base coat to all of my nails. My base color I used 2 layers of Sienna from Polished for Days. This is my favorite indie brand at the moment. When my base color was dry, I used a fast drying top coat on all my nails. I am using Glisten Glow, which is an awesome top coat. I let my top coat dry for about 10 minutes. While my top coat was drying, I applied a layer of liquid latex around my cuticles. This will help me clean up the skin around my nails after stamping. I used this flower image on the top left from Beauty Big Bang. This is plate XL023. As you can see, this plate is working awesome. Like I said, liquid latex makes the cleanup process way faster. I bought a 4-ounce container on Amazon and I filled my own bottles with it. Last step is to add a top coat to your nails, and then you're all done. I hope you liked this tutorial. I will put all the products used in the description box below, and with the code Brenda you will get 10% off your order at Beauty Big Bang. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more videos. Thanks for watching!